Hey, it's Stereopolice. Oh. It's a nice time of the evening. The lighting is nice. I love it. I come down here to meditate. But the subject of the video is, and this is real quick, I was asked a question and I will answer it. Number one, why do I play an E-kit? And the second question is, what are the secrets to drumming? Okay, easy. Let's start with question number 2 first. There are no secrets, but the answer to becoming a better drummer is number 1, practice. Practice, 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 and practice every day. And number 2, hi-hat. Hi-hat, 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 hi-hat. Your left foot is your best friend. And if no one ever told you that, well, don't know what to tell you. Okay, question we did number 2. Number 1, why an E-kit? Well, I pound the back up. I pound the crap out of these things. I don't like tuning. I don't like buying new heads, installing heads. I don't like maintenance. I want to come down here, turn on, tune in, and drop out. E-kit does it. I want something durable, reliable, and ready to go, regardless of the temperature of the weather, the atmospheric pressure, or my mood. E-kit does it. I love Yamaha. I'm a Yamaha fan. That's it. You guys have a great night. That answers a question that was posed to me. It in Virginia is now officially allergy season. I have allergies all year long, and it's getting worse by the second. Y'all have fun now, you hear? Stereopolice. Ciao.